Hi everyone, welcome back. It's Reyna and today I'm going to share a few tips to help you improve your communicative English. Today I'm going to be speaking about conjunctions. I'm pretty sure most of you know what that is, but for those of you who don't know, conjunctions are essentially linking or connecting words that are used to join two or more sentences together. For example, a very common conjunction is the word and, which I'm pretty sure most of you have used at least once or twice. Some other common conjunctions are the words because and its close cousin because of. Now, because there's only a single word difference and since the meaning is exactly the same, many people tend to interchange the word for each other. That is, use one in the place of the other. Now, you obviously know that the only reason I'll be speaking about this is because it's wrong. Now I'll tell you why. Apart from the obvious addition of the word of in the second phrase, another difference is what follows the phrase. Let me explain. When you use the word because, it is followed by a subject plus verb format. For example, I didn't go to school because it was raining. It here is the subject and was raining is the verb. But if you're using because of, it is followed by a noun. For example, I didn't go to school because of the rain. The rain here is a noun. Here's a fun fact. In SMS language and in spoken English, especially among friends or family, the word because isn't used as often. In its place is a word cuz, which is just removing the P in the beginning. This is because 1, you don't want to type as much. It's much easier to just type 5 letters than 7. And 2, no one wants to pronounce 2 syllables when you can just pronounce 1. And come on, it's more fun saying cuz instead of because. Now, because and because of are very informal ways of stating a reason. However, like I mentioned before, it's a bit long for most people. And so, enter since and as. Since and as are much more informal ways of stating a reason. Not to mention, they're literally just one syllable. And lucky for you, there isn't much difference when using them. They are both followed by the same format, the subject plus verb. I'll give you an example. I didn't go to the gym yesterday since I had a lot of work to do. And here's another example. I'm going to bed at 10 p.m. as I want to wake up early. I'm not a teacher. There is no way I would ever reach that level of understanding or patience for that matter. But to be able to teach you guys this, I need to be able to know something. And for me to be able to know something, I have to learn. And that is my ultimate motive, to be able to learn something. If you guys enjoyed my videos and would like me to continue making videos just like this, please do like, subscribe and comment your suggestions down below. Thanks for watching. Bye!